Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about SQL query create view. How do I create a view? Before that, just want to give you a small introduction about what is a view first of all. So there is a difference between a table and a view. Say for example, I have an employee table with employee ID, last name, first name, address, city and salary. This table currently the master table used by the HR department. They know the salary of each employees and they process the salary. Say another department, say IT administration department, they want the same details but not the salary column because it's very confidential, and for security purpose we don't want to give the salary column to anyone. So what we can do is we can create a view from this table. We can create a view and we can give access to this view to the other department, IT, hardware department, administration department. So this is the purpose of view. So from the table we can create a view and we can exclude any of the columns that we want, and whatever columns which is required, using that we can create a view and give access to the other department. So this is the purpose of view. So let's see the demo. In SQL, a view is a virtual table based on the result set of an SQL statement. So it's like a SQL query. So whenever you make a select on this view table, it's like again it will make a query. The query will be executed in the database and it will be give you the results. A view contains rows and columns just like the real table. The field in view are fields from one or more tables in the database. You can add SQL functions where join statements to view and present the data as if the data were coming from one single table. So how do I create a view? So this is the syntax: create view, employee view. This is the name of the view, as this is the query that I'm going to execute. So database engine, whenever you make a query to this view, it will in turn execute a query. A view always shows up to date data. The database engine recreates the data using the views SQL statement. So this is the view SQL statement every time user queries a view. So let's create a view. Looks like the view is created. So I want to know what is there inside this view. I'm making a select query. If you see this, it is exactly the same as the master table, but the only difference is salary column is not there because that is a confidential information. For security purpose I have removed it. You see here employee ID, first name, last name, employee designation, address, city, but there is no salary column at all because for security purpose I have removed that. I have excluded. I don't want to disclose salary column to anyone. Okay, so if you see here, it is exactly the same as the table but without salary. So this is the purpose of view, and this is how you can create a view in the database. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.